automate your script, how to edit your avatars and get images, and also do voiceover. All right. So we have AI for video and audio content creation. So our learning goal is to understand the five powerful AI tools, to learn how to create video with AI, to practice hands-on prompts and scripts, and to create a very short AI-powered video. So at the end of this section, I'm going to teach you some things that you're going to work with in creating your audio and content for monetization. So the first tools we are going to have here is the Obos clips. The Obos clips is actually used to transform lengthy video into a very concise video. So in a case where you have a very long video and you want to make it very, very short, you want to make it like a short clip just to post on your Facebook, your Instagram, or your TikTok, you can just make use of your Obos clips AI. The Obos clips AI. So we're going to do a practical step of how it works. And the uses is that it's actually used for getting caption, highlighting key moments, and creating short form content across platform. So first, the key step for you to know, the first step for the Obos clip is to upload a video. So now let me take you back to Obos clip AI. So we have obosclip.pro. All right, now we are in. This is the front page. So you make sure that you want to sign in. I already have an account, so I'm going to just sign into my account. So let's just sign in back to my account. All right, now we have the front page. Now you are in already. So once you get to the Obos clip, you're going to get this as the front page. We have other activities that it does. It's trying to convert videos from long to short, can try to give you AI caption, video editor, enhance speech, AI frames, AI B-rolls, and AI hook. But what we want to make use of the Obos clip is to cut our long video into short video. Yeah, you can use you can drop a YouTube link, and you can also upload a file. But in our first step is to upload a file. So let's upload a file first. So I'll click on upload, then look for the file that you want. Click on any of the file that you want to use. So we already have a file and it's already uploading. So the next step is to AI finds the best clip. So that the AI intelligently identify and extract the most impactful segment. So now let's go back to the Obos clip. So while it's still loading, you can just hold on while it's still loading. Now you can pause first. All right, so while this is loading, we'll come back to this and let's go back to our presentation. So the first step is to upload a video, which is already in progress right now. Then allow AI find its best clip for you. Then edit your caption and your layout. Then next is to export your short video. Then we actually have our prompt here, a practice prompt that you can actually use. If you are working with a very very funny part of a video, I just tell it to highlight the funny 30 seconds of the video with captions for you. So now while that is loading, now let's go back to our ElevenLabs the second AI tools for content creation and for audio creation. So we have ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs it's actually used to get voices, to get speech. If you want voice, if you don't want just your voice, you can just make use of ElevenLabs to get sound, to get voiceover and other things. So we have the ElevenLabs is actually used to generate incredible lifelike narrations from any text input, and it's perfect for professional voiceover, doubling, and engaging narration for various media. So now let's take out the step for ElevenLabs. First, paste your scripts. Second is to select your voice style, adjust your tone, emotion, or then you have to download the audio. Now let's do a very quick example with ElevenLabs. Now let's go back to ElevenLabs. All right, okay, before the ElevenLabs, our Obos clip is actually ready. So after that, after your video is already uploaded, you might want to go down and make some adjustments to what you want. You can see that it says a clip mode there. If you want auto, if you want it clip anything, if you want just to clip some basis, but I want to just let AI do its work. So it's good. Let's put that auto. Then you have the clip length. I want like a 30 seconds. So you can just make your adjustments here. Click on 30 seconds. Click on 30 seconds. Then what do you want? The Obos has its own function, so tell it what you want to do for you. So now I'm going to give it an instruction here. Let's copy out the prompt I have here. All right, so I want it to extract a 30 seconds teaching tip from the webinar. All right, let's paste that here. So extract 30 seconds teaching tip from this webinar or from this training. Let's say from this training. this training, then all other things are actually perfect. Then once you're done with that, you can see here it's going to take 3 credits, and I have here 7 credits. So if you are using a free trial, it actually gives 10 free credits every day. So now it's going to take 3 credits. So now next step is for you to click get clip in one. So click on this. So once you have done that, allow it to load. Then let's just show you a very quick result. So this is what we have here. You click on the results here. Then now you can see that almost are just giving you 30 seconds clips from a very long video. So I have here some quick video that I can just post to my Facebook or to my Instagram or to my TikTok or to my YouTube short. So you can see that we have some clips already in shorts. And we're going to focus on setting up so you can see that almost clips that got you from a long video to a short video. Now let's go to ElevenLabs. All right, ElevenLabs. So now let's get us signed in. Let's log in. All right, so this is actually the home page for ElevenLabs. You can see that it does many things. It does text to speech, a voice changer, sound effect, voice isolator, many things you can actually think of. Also music also. So we want to go for the area of a text to speech. So what we do first is to click on text to speech. Click on text to speech first. Then it's gonna give you this. Then you can this is where you're going to put in your prompt. So if you have any prompt that you have in that you already have, you can just come here and just paste them here. So now let's work with our prompt here. I have a prompt here I want to use. So let's work with our prompt. All right, so I want to say this. Let's copy this out. Now let's paste just a very short clip. Welcome to our training today on how AI can save you hours of work. So next, after you've pasted the script, you want to adjust the voice you want. Click here, click to voice, adjust this. We have Bill, we have Rachel, we have many voices. You can just listen to it and just pick one.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Also, a guy's voice is also
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
So we have many voices that you want to use. So we can use a grandpa's voice.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I was just 6 years old.
All right.
Son, always speak the truth. People will never forget what you say.
Let's pick.
As we are liberated.
All right, let's pick the Bill's voice. So I'm going to pick Bill's voice. So next one is to go for your other adjustment, which are the speed. If you want it very fast, if you want it low, stability, if you want it more stable, not too shaky, just perfect, you can just adjust that. Then your similarity, if you want it low, you want it high, you can just make your adjustments here. But all other things looks perfect to me. So once you're done with that, you just click on generate speech.
Welcome to our training. Today, you'll learn how AI can save you hours of work.
So you can see that we've gotten a perfect voiceover for our content. So if you're actually done with that, you can just click here. You're going to see a download. You can just download. You can anyone you want to do. You can just click download just to download your speech. All right. So now we have our voiceover for our content already. So now let's go to our presentation. We have another AI tool. Now we have in video. We have AI video creation, or in video is actually used to convert from a text to a professional grade video. You can get with just a little prompt or just a very short prompt. You can actually get a stock footage that you can add visuals to your content. So if you're creating a content and you just don't want just the talking all around, you can just use the in video to request for stock footage and other images. So now it's actually used for marketing campaign, educational tutorial, compelling advertisement, and a dynamic social media content. So now let's look at the step. The first step here is to select an AI text to video. Next is to paste your script. Next is to customize your visuals and your branding. Then add your ElevenLabs voiceover. If you have any ElevenLabs voiceover, you can just add it, just like the example I showed you, just the previous one. They add your ElevenLabs voiceover, then export your MP4, which is a video format. So now let's do a very quick tutorial on in video. So now let's get the link. Now let's get the link. We have in video. You can just paste that. All right, then let's get ourselves login. All right, this is the front page this is what you see inside the in video. So first you have where to put in your prompts. You can see that it can try create short videos, can tell you explain videos, can tell you use scripts and do other things. But we want to just create or get a stock footage or get a video. So firstly, let's work with our prompt. Let's get a prompt. So I already have my prompt. Let's copy this and paste it. All right, so I'm looking for this. So let's just make a few adjustments to this. All right. So my script is talking about AI tools and how it's changing world and the top 3 AI. So let's see the stock videos going to give me. So after you've put in your prompt, you want to click on generate my video, which is here. Just click on generate my video. All right, so we'll come back. Okay, it's loaded already. All right. While it's still loaded, let's go back to the next AI tool we want to talk about. Our next AI tool we want to talk about is the agent. The agent is actually used to create dynamic talking avatar from text that brings it into life, that brings our content into life with virtual presenter. So if you don't want to be the one sitting down in the camera, or there's no time for you to just stand and keep talking and talking, let agent actually do the work for you. So the first step to get a talking avatar or a avatar video, first is to select the avatar that you want, paste your script, choose voice and language, then export your video. Now let's do a very quick demo on agent. Let's go back to, all right, while our in video is still loading, let's go back to the agent. Let's go back to agent. So we have agent here open. All right, so this is actually the front page of agent. So you want to create a talking avatar. We have plenty of avatar here. And again, agent also has other uses, can actually be used to create avatar, to create voices, they have templates and other things. So I want to create a talking avatar. So the first thing for you to do is to click on avatar, then look at we have different avatars that you can actually make use of. So let's just pick one and just make use of it. Let's pick this, a charming podcast. Let's pick this. All right, so it's loaded already. So now the next step for you to create with AI Studio. So just click on create with AI Studio. All right, so now we have this. You can put in your script here, adjust your look, remove background. If you don't like this background, remove your background. Then also you can make some other adjustment, but I'm perfect with this right now. So let's look at the next step. Let's put in our scripts. So let's go back and get a script for. Let's go back and get a script. All right. So now the next step. So now the next step is to put in we have put in our scripts. We have put in our scripts now. So I want to adjust my voice. So let's click on this. All right, so you can adjust your voice here, the speed and the volume. So let's.
Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how AI can save you time in content creation.
All right, so here we have it. We have the avatar. You can adjust your text. If you want a text, you can add other media to it, then element, caption. If you want a caption, you want to add a background, you can just do that. But I'm actually okay with just a very short demo, and then just show you how agent actually works. Then once you're done with that, you click on next. You want to let's talk about the size. If you want a YouTube size, you can actually go by 16:9. Then if you want just a portrait size, you can go by 9:16. But I want to post this on YouTube, so it can actually be a 16:9, which is a landscape format. So let's click this and click on generate. Then you want to, let's just say a training, let's just name it a training, then save that, then click on submit. All right, so I think our video is already ready. So let's view our video. All right, let's view this.
AI is changing everything. In just minutes, you can turn your ideas into videos, voices, and content that reaches the world. Today, I'll show you how.
So you can see that you can actually post this on your YouTube, your Facebook, any social media platform, and just start making money with this. So this is how agent works. So now let's go to another AI tool. We have the Kling AI. The Kling AI is actually a cinematic video. It's actually used for cinematic video creation, and it actually helps to create stunning cinematic video scene directly from a prompt, a text prompt, or an image, and can be used for creating backgrounds, enhancing cinematic storytelling, producing high creative marketing visuals. So now the first step is to choose a text to video. Next step is to write a prompt. The next step is to select your duration and your style. Then after that, export your video. Now let's go back to Kling AI. Let's go back to Kling AI. Now I have my Kling AI open. All right, so this is the home page of Clean AI. You can see that Clean AI is used for many things. So we have image, we have videos, and we have other things that can make use of Clean AI. So now we want to just create a text to video. We want to create a text to video. So let's go back to video, click on video, then we have text to video and we have image to video, but we don't have an image right now, but let's just work with a text to video. So we have text to video here. So let's get in our prompt. Let's get in our prompt. So I want to create a flying, let's do this. All right, so my prompt here is ready. I have my prompt, do other few adjustments, which is the seconds, 10 seconds. If you want, it's 5 seconds, any amount of seconds that you want. Then we have 16 by 9, we have 9 by 16, and we have 1 by 1. So if you want any innovation that you want, so let's make it 9 by 16. You put in this, adjust by your output. You can see here, adjust by your output here. So it's going to cost me 200 credits, and normally it gives 166 credits. So now let's adjust this. All right. Then when this is done, click on generate. You click on generate. All right. So I already have you can see this. Let's view this. You can see a drone just flying across the data, capturing the sound at sunset, cinematic at 6 seconds. So we have this already. So while this is loading, let's go back to our presentation. So we have categories of AI tools for content creation. We have the AI for script writing. We have the AI for video editing. The AI for script writing, we have some categories that fall under it. We have ChatGPT, we have Jasper, and we have Write Sonic. Then for AI for video editing, we have the Opus clips. Like I showed you, the Opus clip is usually used to cut a very long video to a very short video. And we have the in-video. The in-video can be used to get stock footage or to get stock images for your content. And we have Pictory. Then we have another category. We have the AI voiceover, which I showed you the ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs fall under that category. We have Morph AI and we have Play HT. Then for the AI avatar and scene, you want to create avatars, you want to create scene, you can make use of your agent, make use of your Clean AI, and make use of your Runway. Make use of your Runway. So just a very quick assignment for everyone. You want to create your very first AI video, get your script with ChatGPT, work with your narration with your ElevenLabs, create your video using InVideo, then add your avatar presenter using your agent, then also repurpose your video into a short clips using the Opus clips, and then you can go back to Clean AI to get a cinematic background if you actually want that. So with this, you can actually get a very long video, a very nice video for your content. So now let's go back to our in video and see if it's okay. Back to our in video. So our in video now is giving us some adjustment to make. So you want to check other adjustments. We have the AI magic moment, show the future now, or a step-by-step time saving. Then you want to be at 45 seconds. Choose your timing. I just want 45, a very short video. Then where are you going to post it? Is it for your LinkedIn? Is it for your TikTok? Is it for your Twitter? I want to post it on my YouTube. So I can just pick on YouTube. Then after that, I can choose on generate. All right. So it's actually loading. Let's put on why it's loading. So I think let's just play one. All right. So yeah, we have stock footage right now. So let's click.
If making videos was as easy as sending an email, thanks to AI, it is. AI tools are transforming the way businesses create videos. For scripting, just type your idea and AI whips up a ready-to-go script in seconds. Next, editing, no more hours spent trimming clips. AI polishes your footage for you. And for voiceovers, AI voices can narrate your message in any style you want. No video needed. So if you want to save time, boost productivity, and focus on what matters, it's time to let AI do the heavy lifting. The future of content creation is here, and it's only one